Hi everyone, so this is my demo for the COMP303 Finals. So first, this is the main application class. So this is the entry point of my Spring Boot application. Next is the customer controller class. So this displays a form for entering a customer specific information. So it sets the reservation ID so that to ensure that the customer record is linked to the corresponding reservations. So here you have get mapping and the post mapping. And you also have a REST controller to handle REST API requests in Postman. I have a post, put, and a get. And here I have the payment controller. So this is responsible for the payment form. It retrieves the reservation to compute the payment, and the calculation considers the travel tax, like economy, business, and first class, and a number of passengers as well. And it also applies a 10% tax to compute the total amount. And this is the REST controller to handle APIs in Postman. I have put get, and this is the main reservation controller. So it handles the initial reservation form. So it validates the user input as well. Also, I have some pin level validation, and I have get dashboard for displaying the reservation customer details, post mapping for updating the reservation, for updating customer information, and the final confirmation page as well. And the REST controller to handle the API requests. I have the customer.java bin file here with the with the fields, payment, and the reservation, where I'm handling server-side validations as well. And the repository for its connection to MongoDB and the service, which is implemented to the controllers. So we have customer payment and reservation service. And the HTML file, so this is the customer form. This is the dashboard to update details. This is the final confirmation page, payment form page, display the payment, the reservation form to fill out the details, and yeah, the confirmation page as well. So let's run it in the browser. So in here you can populate the fields. So let's say 3, set the time. So submit reservation, then an address, details. So here you can fill out the customer details as well, and the total will be calculated. This is the total amount. You can update it. It's just for information and confirm payment. So you have this here. Let's check the database and the reservations. You see it's now added. Customers. Yeah, it's window seat, and the payment is also displayed later. So you can also go to the dashboard. You can update details here, update the reservation, and so you can see the database. It will be updated here, and you can also uh, search for the reservation to be able to update it. And in our Postman, here you can do a post. Let's say this one, John Mark. Let's check the database reservations. You see John Mark is here, so the post is also working as expected. Yeah, that's